Hey, Sarnia-Lambton, I want to invite you to this mega open house we're doing at 100 Anise. And this is a new development we have here in Sarnia-Lambton. It's on the corner of Michigan and Moldland. And the great thing about this development is we have new home construction starting at $549,900. That gives you 3 bedrooms and 3 baths above grade. And also there's 3 different models and price points to choose from. This isn't no normal open house. We're going to have the radio there. It's going to be 4 hours. We're giving away Ed Sheeran tickets. Tepperman's is there, giving away some great prizes as well. We're going to have some gift cards from Christos. And just come on out and check it out. So maybe you have children that go to school in the area. They will be, and you want to be in that area. Or maybe you're going to be going to the new Gregory Hogan. And it's a great development. It really encompasses people maybe they're looking to downsize or families are just starting out that want that fresh new home within their budget. So go to bluecoastteam.com for more details. We hope to see you there this Sunday. And also, like I said, a chance to win some Ed Sheeran tickets.